Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you on how to change the name of your Facebook page. Okay, so open your Facebook application on your device and tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen, and then switch to your page account. Okay, now that you're in your page account, tap on the three horizontal lines again at the top right corner of your screen, and then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then after that, tap on settings. Okay, and then tap on the page settings for volume 1. Okay, that is a page, the name of your page, and then tap on the name under the personal information. Okay, let's just wait for the page to load. Here you can see your name. Now, type out name that you want to use for your page. So let's just use volume 2.0 and then tap on review change. Here, that is your current page name and your new page name. So in order to save that, you'll need to type out your password here. And then after typing out your password, you can now finally click on save changes. And after clicking on that, your page, your new name of your page will be updated. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.